Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about something important: how to be strong. Life is not always easy. Sometimes we have problems, but we can learn to be strong. Let me share my ideas with you. First, we need to accept the problem. This means don't run away from it. Don't say, "This is not happening." Look at the problem. Say to yourself, "Okay, this is difficult, but I can find a way." For an example, maybe you lose your job. Maybe you fail a test. It's okay to feel sad, but after that, you must think, "What can I do now?" Second, talk to someone. Don't keep everything inside. Call a friend, talk to your family, say, "I have a problem, can you help me?" When you talk, you feel lighter. Other people can give you new ideas. Sometimes they say, "I had the same problem before." This makes you feel less alone. Third, take small steps. Don't try to fix everything in one day. This is too hard. Instead, ask yourself, "What is one small thing I can do today?" Maybe you clean your room, maybe you send one email, maybe you go for a short walk. Small steps help you move forward. Step by step, the big problem becomes smaller. Fourth, believe in yourself. Say this every day: "I am strong, I can do this." Your words are powerful. When you believe in yourself, you find more energy. Remember, every strong person had hard days too. Nobody's strong all the time, but they never give up. So remember these four steps: accept the problem, talk to someone, take small steps, and believe in yourself. Life is not always easy, but you are stronger than you think. So, guys, thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Take care and stay strong.